Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, John. Good morning. I'm doing pretty well. I had my coffee, so I feel more alive now.
Oh yeah, coffee is very important. Without coffee, I am not a real person.
Same here. So, how is your morning going so far?
It's calm, very calm. I walked my dog, ate some toast, and now I'm here talking with you. Not bad at all.
That sounds nice. I like quiet mornings. They make me feel relaxed.
Me too. So, for today, I was thinking about something interesting.
Oh yeah? What is it?
I was thinking about how people introduce themselves. You know, saying your name, talking to new people.
Ah, yes. Introducing yourself. That can be scary for many people.
Very scary, especially in English, right?
Yes, especially for beginners. They often feel shy, or nervous, or they forget their words.
Exactly. So today, let's talk about how to introduce yourself with confidence.
I love that topic. Confidence is so important, and it's something we can learn.
Yes, and don't worry everyone listening, you don't need perfect English.
That's right. You just need simple words and a calm voice.
Okay, maybe we should start by introducing ourselves, like we are meeting for the first time.
Good idea. You go first.
All right. Hi, my name is John. I'm from the United States. I live in a small town, and I work as a teacher. Nice to meet you.
See? That was great. Very clear, very friendly.
Thanks. Now you.
Okay. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm also from the U.S. I live near the ocean, and I love walking on the beach. Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Simple, natural, and confident.
And notice something important. We both smiled.
Yes, smiling helps a lot.
When you smile, people feel comfortable, and you feel more relaxed too.
That's true. Even if you feel nervous inside, a small smile can help.
I remember when I was younger, I was very shy.
Really? You don't seem shy now.
Not now, but before, yes. When I had to introduce myself in class, my hands would shake.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, my voice was very quiet. I spoke very fast, and I wanted to sit down quickly.
I understand that feeling. I have the same problem in college.
What happened?
I had to introduce myself on the first day. I forgot what I wanted to say. I just said, "Hi, I'm John," and stopped.
And then what?
Everyone looked at me. The teacher smiled and said, "Go on." I was so embarrassed.
Oh no, but you survived.
I did. And later, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
People are usually kind. They're not judging you as much as you think.
That is so true. Most people are friendly. They want to understand you.
So, for beginners, the first tip is this. Keep it simple.
Yes, you don't need long sentences.
For example, you can say, "Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. Nice to meet you."
That's perfect. Short and clear.
And you can add one small thing about yourself.
Like your job or your hobby.
Right. I'm a student. Or I like music.
Or I like cooking. Simple things.
Another tip is to speak slowly.
Yes, slow is good.
When you speak slowly, people understand you better.
And you feel more in control.
Exactly. Take a small breath before you speak.
Like this.
Yes, like that. No rush.
Also, it's okay to pause.
Pauses are normal in real life.
Native speakers pause all the time.
We think, we forget words, we laugh.
Yes, we do.
Another thing is eye contact.
Oh yes, eye contact is important.
You don't need to stare.
Please don't stare.
Just look at the person sometimes.
It shows confidence and interest.
And if you feel shy, you can look at their nose or forehead.
That's a good trick.
Now, let's do another example. Imagine you meet someone at work.
Okay.
You can say, "Hi, I'm John. I just started working here."
And the other person might say, "Nice to meet you."
Then you can smile and say, "Nice to meet you too."
Very simple, very natural.
Confidence is not about being perfect.
Yes, it's about being comfortable with who you are.
And accepting mistakes.
Mistakes are okay. They help you learn.
Sometimes mistakes are even funny.
Yes, they are.
So if you make a mistake, don't panic.
Just smile and continue.
People will respect that.
One more thing. Practice helps a lot.
Practice in front of a mirror.
Or practice with a friend.
Or even talk to yourself.
I do that sometimes.
Me too. In the car.
That's normal.
So, to finish, what is the main message today?
The main message is you can introduce yourself with confidence.
Even with simple English.
Smile. Speak slowly. Be yourself.
And remember, you are doing great.
Yes, every time you try, you get better.
Thanks for talking with me today, Emma.
Thank you, John. This was fun.
And thank you to everyone listening.
Keep practicing. We believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.